at the beginning of last season, I don't think any of them really knew where they were going to go, but it's a testament to their hard work, dedication, commitment in the classroom, on the field, off the field. They're multi-sport athletes. The first guy out there, Chris Barfield, he's going to be going to UVA as a preferred walk-on. He was recruited by Blanda Wolf, who used to be an assistant coach at Brown High School, a good friend of mine. And you know, he's there because he's got a 4.4 GPA. He's got a really, really well SAT. He's a really good football player. And he was the Wells Fargo Humanitarian Award winner last year from the Richmond Touchdown Club. So Chris is, I hope my son turns out like these guys. The next young man up there is Quentin Elliott. All of these guys were sophomores when I took the job here at Byrd when we first came back. And I knew Quentin's brother and I knew Quentin. And Quentin has done everything that we've asked and more since I've been here. He's a great student, carries a 3.8 GPA. He's got a really good score. And very proud of him. He will be signing a scholarship to attend Virginia Union University, a great school here in Richmond. I used to be an assistant coach, and he makes good grades. He's a great football player. He's going to have a great career at Virginia Union. So I'm very proud of Quentin. All right, the next young man, Tyson Pledger. Tyson played both ways, defensive end, tight end. He got recruited by Connor Freeland. And Connor, I coached against him when he was at Randolph Henry, and he's coaching up there. And Connor made a really good decision by signing Tyson. Tyson will be signing a football scholarship to attend the University of Charleston in West Virginia, and he's going to have a great career there. He's also a great student. So Tyson Pledger. The next young man up there, he's from the same neighborhood I'm from, Courthouse Green. So he means a lot to me. Sean was a 2-year starter for us here at LC Byrd. He's not the biggest guy. He's a great wrestler, but he's got a great heart. He's a great kid. He works hard. And that's why he will be attending Chowan University, going down there. He's recruited by Jeffrey Fitzgerald, who's an alumni of Hermitage High School. And he's going to be playing football at Chowan University in North Carolina. We're built by Byrd. We're LC Byrd, and they're not. Christopher Barfield, who will be attending the University. Quentin Elliott, who will be attending Virginia University. Tyson Pledger, who will be attending the University of Charleston. And last but certainly not least, Sean Allen, who will be Congratulations to